Hey, here you guys go. Take a little quick video here. I'll fire it up. Front tire's good. Doesn't leak. Holds air. Little crack in the plastic here. No big deal. These are actually shocks. Come off a little motorcycle. You can undo this knob and the handlebars pop off of here for like if you want to put it in the trunk or something. It's got nice newer grips on there. The kill button up here does work. Throttle right here. It's not real loud. It's just common for a mini bike. And Alexander Reynolds Corporation. This I think is like early 70s or something. This tire back here is pretty worn out. No rips on the seat anywhere. Fender's nice and tight. The wheels, bearings, and all that stuff's nice and tight. Alright, then we'll put my hand on the muffler here. Show you that I haven't warmed it up or anything. Which it is a little bit cold nature, but once you get it going, it's alright. It's not been started at all. Takes a minute to get it, warmed up, just like any mini bike will. I'm gonna put it on the ground and take off on it, go for a little ride. I'm 250 pounds. It don't go very fast with me on there, but it'll show you that it'll take the abuse and all that kind of stuff, and its chain won't break or come off or any problems like that. It has the back paddle brake back here with the lever to operate it. And then it also has this front brake here that does work. Both brakes work good. The back brake with this bold tire, I mean, it still works, but this front brake's the way to go with that. Alright, I'll sit her down on the ground and go for a little ride. Okay, there you have it for the mini bike. I'll go make one of the mower.